First, let us make buttermilk for our brownies. In a glass, add 5 ml vinegar in 42 ml of milk. Mix and set aside for 10 minutes. Now, in another bowl, take 58 gram of unsalted butter, 100 gram chopped dark chocolate, 12 gram cocoa powder, 38 gram caster sugar, 38 gram brown sugar, 1 by 4 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Melt this in a microwave in 15-second interval, stirring in between to avoid burning chocolate. Add prepared buttermilk and mix well. Add 45 gram of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, skip if using salted butter. Mix everything. I have already shared other ways you can make eggless brownies at home. The link is in description box. Finally, add 50 gram of chocolate chunks. Here I am using the mix of milk and dark chocolate. Now pour the brownie batter into a 5-inch square tin lined with baking sheet. Top with more chocolate chips. This is optional. Now bake them in a preheated oven at 170 degrees C for 14 to 16 minutes until the skewer inserted in the center comes out with few moist crumbs for fudgy brownies. Once brownies have baked, let them cool, then refrigerate for 1 hour for perfect fudgy texture. Once cooled, remove them from the tin. Let us slice our brownies. Just look at that fudgy texture. Our eggless brownies baked with buttermilk is ready. If you enjoy the video, give it a like, share and subscribe to Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi and this is where eggless baking always delivers.